Mommy. I just want to say happy birthday. I want you to know I get the greatest mommy. I love you so much. That's why reason why I love you. Number one, you are beautiful. Number two, you are amazing. Number three, you best mommy ever. Number four, you best cook. I love being with you. You work so hard. I wish you was gone. Are you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mommy. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Bye-bye.